Good morning, Year 7, and welcome to Assembly. I can hardly believe I'm saying this, but it's the end of Year 7 this week. We've been at home now for 16 weeks, and on Friday is the last day of term, and at long last, we have will all have reached our summer holidays. I'm going to keep Assembly pretty short this week, but I wanted really to say a few things to you. Firstly, and most importantly, well done for all that you've done over the last 4 months. This experience that we've all been through has been something brand new and something hugely challenging for all of us. So for the way that you've responded, many of you, I just want to say a massive, massive well done. It's been incredible to see how you've looked after one another, how you've looked after the people around you, how so many of you have been incredibly organised. I've talked about to you again and again about being self-disciplined, about the need to organise yourself and make yourself get on with the work. Even when you don't want to, and the way that so many of you have responded, I'm really, really proud of that, and you should feel so proud of yourselves. I know that there's others of you at Year 7 who, you're feeling a little bit anxious about what you haven't done, maybe. And, I've had lots of lovely conversations with you coming in over the last couple of weeks to visit school, to see me and your form tutors. Had lovely conversations with lots of you. That's been such a great pleasure for me. But I know that some of you are feeling like you're feeling nervy about, what have I missed? Am I going to get in trouble because I didn't manage to do that? And I just want to reassure you, no one's in any trouble. No one's in any trouble at all. We will arrive back in September stronger than ever, looking not backwards to what we've missed, but looking forwards to the journey ahead of us and what we can do in the future. So please, 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 if you're feeling worried about having fallen behind, don't worry about it. Do not worry about it. Do not worry about what's gone. Just focus on what's ahead of you and what you can do when you come back into school in September to make sure that you're moving forwards. I think you're brilliant, Year 7. It's been a real pleasure to be your head of year this year. Please don't forget me when you're Year 8s. I look forward to seeing you all in September. Until then, I hope you have a fantastic summer holiday.